All right, let me give you another example of something we did in Unit 3. Something else we did in Unit 3, we always say, first thing we always do, what do they have in common? Okay, do they have any common factors? This one, they have 3 in common. So I'm going to factor out 3. And so I'm going to divide each, so I'll put 3 out to the left. I'm going to divide each of these terms by 3. Okay, notice it's an A equals 1. A equals 1 here, so that's good. So that means we could just play the whole what multiplies to 4 and adds to 4 game. What multiplies to 4 and adds to 4? What about 2 and 2? 2 times 2 is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. So we could have x plus 2 times x plus 2, which would be x plus 2 squared. Okay, so there's your solution. Now, on this one, first off, alarm bells are going off. This one needs to be written in order. Whenever we're factoring, we want to try to write them in highest power to lowest power. Makes it easier on us. Now, on this one now, notice it's just a higher exponent. We're taking out a greatest common factor, and it's got it. With this time, we're taking out letters as well, which we have taken out letters before. So we actually have done this before. But remember, when the leading coefficient is negative, like -2, I got to take out a negative. Okay, and then they all have x to the third. So the thing is, what I was trying to show you is sometimes we have polynomials where they're higher. They all have a variable in common, higher order variable, so we could take out that variable. So they all have x cubed in common. So I could take out x cubed. And so you're going to see this apply itself whenever we do solving in the next lesson. -2 divided by -2 is 1. I had 5 x's, took 3 out, so 2 are left. I had 4 x's, took 3 out, so 1's left. -4 divided by -2 is 2. 16 divided by -2 is -8. I had 3 x's, took 3 out. And so then you're going to see what multiplies to 8 and what adds to 2. What multiplies to -8 and adds to 2. What about 4 and -2? So once you factor that out, you've got a simple, in this case, you got an A equals 1 trinomial. Okay, so 4 times -2 is -8. 4 plus -2 is 2. Okay.